Hi, I'm Gaylord Rodeman, and I'm the full-time welding instructor at MCC. Our welding program offers 2 certificates, welding and advanced welding. We teach stick, MIG, and TIG welding processes in a lab setting. This guarantees you get the most time actually practicing and developing your welding skills. All of our instructors bring real-life industry knowledge and experience into the classroom. This is going to help you understand how to apply what you learn in the classroom to your job. We use the latest welding technologies, including pulse spray transfer and advanced waveform TIG, so you are prepared for a job with one of the many employers that hires MCC welding graduates. Many students complete a certificate and then get a job, which is a great way to build experience and confidence. But then they continue on to complete a degree, and that gives them even more opportunities. A lot of certificate coursework can be used towards a degree, so you're always moving forward towards your goals. Our graduates are working at Millet Formless, Scott Forge, Schwartz Performance, and a bunch of other places. There are a lot of opportunities in the field of welding. Depending on the program you choose, you're going to be prepared for jobs in manufacturing, production welding, and custom fabrication. The welding program at MCC is partnered with industry to make sure that the program is current with today's job market, to help you transition from school into an exciting career in welding.